Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are talking about Bluetooth. In this video, we're breaking down how Bluetooth lets your devices talk to each other without any wires.
So what exactly is Bluetooth? Bluetooth is a wireless technology that lets devices connect and share data over short distances. No cables, no mess.
Right? It's the tech behind your wireless mouse, keyboards, headphones, and speakers. Bluetooth uses radio waves, the same kind used for radio stations to send data between devices.
It runs on a frequency around 2.4 gigahertz. There are two main types you'll hear about: Bluetooth Classic, which is good for streaming and continuous data, and Bluetooth Low Energy, which uses way less power and is great for things like fitness trackers and smart sensors.
Fun fact, the name Bluetooth was actually suggested back in 1997 by an engineer named Jim Craddock. He named it after Harold Bluetooth, a 10th century Viking king known for uniting warring tribes.
That's also where the logo comes from. It's a combination of the runes H and B, the king's initials, and a symbol of connection. Pretty cool, right?
Right. Today, Bluetooth is everywhere. Most people use it to connect phones to things like earbuds or car stereos. But it also connects keyboards, gaming controllers, and more.
You'll find Bluetooth in TVs, cameras, and smart appliances like fridges and ovens. It's also used in medical devices like glucose monitors and pacemakers.
And don't forget cars. Modern infotainment relies on Bluetooth for hands-free calls, streaming music, or directions from your phone. So how do you actually connect two Bluetooth devices? It's called pairing. Most devices automatically go into pairing mode when they are turned on for the first time.
Pairing is like swapping contact information between your devices. They exchange security details and remember each other so the next time they pair automatically.
Sometimes you'll have to enter a PIN or confirm a code on both screens to make sure the right devices are talking to each other. It's a safeguard to make sure that you do not connect to the wrong device by accident.
Bluetooth typically works within 30 to 300 feet depending on your device and environment. Things like walls, interference, or even a microwave can affect the range and performance.
Technologies that operate on the 2.4 GHz spectrum, such as phones, older Wi-Fi networks, baby monitors, and microwaves, can interfere with Bluetooth performance. Now, what about security? Bluetooth uses authentication and encryption to keep your data safe.
Now that's another layer of protection to make sure only trusted devices connect.
Bluetooth isn't going anywhere. It's already a key part of how we live and connect wirelessly.
And the tech keeps evolving. Expect better performance, larger ranges, and smarter features as new innovations roll out.
As our world keeps getting even more connected, Bluetooth will continue playing a huge role in making those connections seamless.
And that's it for today. Now you know what Bluetooth is, how it works, and why it has such an interesting name. We hope you learned something new.
Let us know in the comment section how you use Bluetooth every day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!